Good morning, everyone. It is DOGMAS Day 21. Very close to Christmas now. And we actually got a little bit of snow. It's not raining right now, as of now, which is fantastic. And hopefully it stays away today. Well, using the bathroom. There's Kenai. He's like, snow. Okay, this isn't bad. He prefers that over mud. Oh, there's Dodger. He's like, what is this stuff? This is so... Because Dodger's only seen like very light snow. And then it went away. But for it to be sticking around this morning, he's like, what is this? It's very exciting to him. Huh? Girl's getting ready to play. But hopefully it sticks around tomorrow again. That'd be super awesome. So we'll see when tomorrow comes. And hopefully we have snow for Christmas. If we have snow for Christmas, I'm going to be really happy. And my husband's having a really sore throat. Like really sore throat. He can barely talk. And I'm pretty sure he gave it to me. He's had it now for a few days. I think since Saturday or Sunday. And now he has passed it on to me. And I hope I don't get it as bad as him. Right now it's just like a scratchy throat. Because I really don't want to be sick for Christmas. No, I definitely don't want to be sick for Christmas. I'm so excited for them to get their gift on Christmas. And we do our turkey on Christmas Eve. So they'll get to have turkey dinner Christmas Eve. And then they'll open their gift on Christmas Day. All the doggies. Kenai. Claire, she has snow all over her nose. Oh, the water that's in the wagon is all frozen. They hear a big truck, look. They're like, what is that? That's a big truck. Yeah, big work truck. Oh, there they go. Dodger's so cute when he runs and plays. He gets like a little rabbit. And he runs like a horse. So, I don't know. He's an interesting one. Hey, Dodger, you're an interesting puppy. Huh? He like gallops like a little horse. But all the dogs have been doing really good, especially not in their bedroom right now because their bedroom is now becoming the puppy nursery. They've been sleeping pretty well in the living room. On the couch, we brought their bed out there, so they got their bed out there as well. Huh? Their tent is also out in the living room, so they got a few places to sleep out there. They can either go on the couch, on their bed that's brought out there, or in their tent. And they've been adjusting to that fine. Oh, play nice. Huh? Sniffing it, are they? And eating the snow. But no, they've been adjusting to it all right. Hi. Hi. Hi, Kenai. Good morning. Good morning. You like the snow? You're a husky. You should like it. Yeah, you're a husky. You should like the snow. He's like, I do, Mama. Isn't that too cold either, is it? No. Some of those rainy days were actually colder than what it is today. I can hear the crows, too. Nella. Such a sweet girlie. There they go, the little ones. Everyone's doing really well this morning. Counting down to Christmas. And I say they're counting down to their turkey dinner. I can't hold you up like that, my buddy. I'm sorry. That's why you gotta lean on this. Thank you. It's easier to scratch your little head when you're leaned on that. Eating the snow off the windowsill. Aren't they? Are they eating the snow off the windowsill? He loves being up here and watching them. He's certainly a little guard dog of the yard. He likes to be up higher than the rest of them. Make sure they're all okay. How are you, Miss Nala? How are you this morning? How are you doing? She's pregnant, in case you're unaware and haven't seen those videos. This is Nala. Hey, Nala. You expecting puppies? But that's why you see her mammary glands sagging down and her teats. Simply because she's pregnant. You eating the snow. Did you want to go inside and get some water? Or she's like, I like the snow, Mama. You gotta be careful eating that too, okay? There's the little ones. There they go. Oh, they got the ice broke in the wagon now, so they're actually able to get a bit. And probably the bit of water that was underneath the ice. That must be so nice and cool for them. Is the water nice and cool, Dodger? Yeah. Is it good? All right, everyone, we're going to head in now and get a treat, okay? Come on, here. Come on, we're going to go get a treat. Come on, here. Gonna go get a treat. Careful. Come on, let's go get a treat. Here, wrong way. You've gone too far. Here. Here. Come get a treat. Guys, let's go. Let's go get a treat. Here. I know you're excited about the snow, but we're gonna get a treat now, okay? Come on. Layla, come on. Come get a treat. All right, we are back outside again here. It's a little later in the morning. They went in. They had a nap. I had to get some cleaning done. It's 10:40 in the morning now. And they are running and playing. Oh, careful, the snow, it's slippery. Oh, she's just slid this way. Here. They are having a lot of fun here this morning playing. Yeah, what's she doing? Dodger. Here. You eating the snow? Hi, Kenai. You happy? It's snowing. You eating the snow, buddy? Two of them, they're eating the snow. Is it good? Oh my goodness. It? Let me see your nose. Let me see your nose. Oh, you. The other little ones are down here. Looks like Claire wants to play. Oh, there we go. Oh, there they go. There they go. Oh my goodness. Full of energy again. Aren't they, Nala? These are your little ones. Be careful getting up like that, okay? There they go. Miss Nala. She's certainly getting farther along now. Oh, watch out! Miss Nala's up here. Careful, little ones. Nala just went back inside. I think I'm going to bring these little ones in now. Get them a little snack. Versus eating all the snow.